Usually they go to Mexico. I take them back from Mexico. Keep doing that. I may have to go into the Honda Ridgeline sales day.
Yeah.
They're booming.
No, that's Johnson County though. That's not it. All right, here's the drill. Real simple. Get your guns out.
Draw.
So, the drill, the goal is, and you can join them if you want. You can shoot three. In fact, three would work good. The goal is he's going to shoot a shot and he's going to be ready. And the goal is to shoot 4 rounds total. Each of you is going to shoot 2. He's going to shoot around now. This guy is listening.
Okay.
Alternating.
Yep.
Yep.
Listening for his shot. You guys within 6.
You want to go first?
Yeah, I'll go
Okay.
first.
As soon as he fires his gun, as soon as you hear him fire, you're going to shoot. You're going to shoot. As soon as he fires, you're going to shoot. Okay? Ready? Go. Practice it one more time. One more time. And then we'll see how you sound. Ready? Go! Alright, good. Alright, so let's do it one team at a time. One team at a time. Okay?
What's that?
One team at a time, so they'll go down the line.
Just to be listening, alright? And base it off the shot. So hearing faster, seeing faster, that's what you're doing. Right? Losing things on obscure vision later on. So the goal is to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Even, not out real fast sync. Alright, you guys are up. Ready? Go. Middle's a little slow. Do it one more time. One more time. We'll give him another chance. Go. That was pretty nice. That was pretty good. All right.
Right? Are we doing 2 shots or?
Yeah. So you go 1, 2, 3.
Not bad. Not bad. Do one more. Oh, you got another mag? We out. Okay. All right.
Here. Start reloading out of my mag.
You'll put it in. That won't work. Look at those purple bullets. Okay. This is looking really good now. All right. Take that from your mag. No, I don't think that's your mag.
Fluffy.
Hey, those are cool. Where'd you get those at? You got those? Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. It's always combos. Everybody calls the back.
Wow.
Yeah, that's where I got the purple. We're still trying to shoot them all up.
All right. One more time. You're up first. Ready? There he goes. Go. Bad, a little slow on your recall. One more time. Listen for him to shoot. Ready? Go. There we go. There we go. Ready, boys?
Want me to go first?
Yep.
Ready?
Go.
Not bad. Make it a little smoother. Ready? Go. Oh, that was perfect. All right. Holster them up. You want to top them off? Top them off. If not, grab your rifle.
All right. Yep. You need more.
Yep.
Holster your gun. There you go. Good shooting.
When there's not a mag,
You don't have any mags on the
leave it
ground?
like this.
Huh?
When there's not a mag, push it down or leave it like this.
What do you mean?
With this out,
Oh, no.
just
It's
like that.
So if you don't want your chamber open,
Yeah.
this button right here is your slide release.
Oh, okay.
So you can either just pull down on it and it'll close, or if it's open, you can cock back and pull down on it. And it'll
Okay,
close.
gotcha.
Some people like, if they're empty, being fully closed.
Yeah.
I like being closed, but I also have a retention on my holster.
Right. Okay.